Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through a simple step-by-step process to log into your Kajabi creator account. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, this guide will help you get started quickly. Step 1. Open your browser. Begin by launching your preferred web browser on your device. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you usually use. Step 2. Go to the Kajabi login page in the address bar. Type in the URL www.kajabi.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the login button usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Click on the login button. Click on the login button. This will take you to the Kajabi login page where you will need to enter your credentials. Step 4. Enter your email address. On the login page, you will see fields that prompt you to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email associated with your Kajabi account. Step 5. Enter your password. Next, type in your password in the password field. Ensure that your password is entered correctly, as it is case sensitive. Step 6. Remember Me option. Optional. If you're using a personal device and would like Kajabi to remember your login details for future sessions, you can check the Remember Me box. However, do this only on secure devices. Step 7. Click on the Login button. After entering your email and password, click on the Login button to access your Kajabi dashboard. Step 8. Troubleshooting login issues. If you encounter any issues logging in, such as forgetting your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your registered email. Step 9. Explore your dashboard. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your Kajabi dashboard. This is where you can manage your content, view analytics, and more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you log into your Kajabi creator account effortlessly.